Inhale, right knee lifts to hip height, arms reach forward. Exhale to airplane. Inhale, hands to heart center. Exhale, touching down. Inhale, come all the way up. Right knee comes forward and lifts, arms reach forward. Exhale to airplane. Inhale, hands to heart. Exhale, touch lightly down. Inhale, rise all the way up. Right knee lifts to hip height. Exhale to airplane, hips level. Inhale, hands to your heart. Exhale, touching the earth. Inhale, rise all the way up. Knee lifts, arms reach. Exhale to mountain pose. And then proceeding to the other side.